Good morning, proud boys and girls. It is Miss Lucia, time for our English lesson. But first, I'm going to ask you a question. What is your name? And I want you to tell mum and dad. So you're going to say, my name is. Can you do that for me? Good job. Today we are learning another new sound. I think we'll be reading very, very soon. Our new sound is ah. Can you say ah? Ah. Good, well done. Now have a look at this picture. Do you know what this is? Yes, umbrella. Ah, ah, umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Umbrella. Umbrella. Now, when do we use an umbrella? Can you talk to mum and dad and tell them when do we use an umbrella? Our next picture is an arrow and it is pointing up, 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 up. Can you point up? Point up. Good. Ah, ah, up. Say the word up, up. Well done. Our next picture, this is actually one of your family members. So we had mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, and this is a uncle. A uncle. Do you have an uncle? I'm sure you do. Yes. A uncle. Who is this? This is uncle. Uncle. A uncle. Oh, look at this. There's a teddy bear. And here is the table. Where is the teddy bear sitting? Under. That's one of the words we learned. We learned on, under, next to, behind. Do you remember? Yes, we know this word already. Under. The teddy is under the table. Under. Then we are going to read some words. Okay, do you see where my little red light is? Here. So we know this sound. This is B, B. A, N. B, A, N. Bun, bun. See, we are just doing some reading. So we say the sounds B, A, N. B, A, N. Bun. There you can see a picture of a bun. What do you think? Let me get my little pointer. What do you think this word is? You can have a look at the picture. It is S, A, N. Sun. So we say every sound and then we put the sounds together and we read the word. S, A, N. A, N. Sun. This word is sun. What was our first word? Bun. B-A-N. Sun. Our next word over here, sun. Let's look at the word at the bottom. Pardon me. There's a picture. We are going to say the sounds. N, a, t. N, a, t. Nut. N, a, t. Nut. Can you read this word for me? Nut. Good. It starts with a N. We know the N sound. Nut. Can you read this word for me at the top where I'm showing? Bun. Bun. Good. How exciting is that? We are reading. And let's read this word. Sun. Well done, everybody. Thank you for listening and thank you for learning. I want you to practice reading these 3 words. So practice with mom and dad. Maybe mom or dad can write the words and you can read them. Good job. Thank you, everybody. And I will see you soon. Bye.